Alright, a couple of people have asked me how to make lockpicks. So you just need a little thin strip of metal like this. This is out of a Toyota Corolla windscreen wiper. Yeah, one of these will do. Be better if you had two. You just want to sort of shape and file the head so it sort of looks a bit like that, or mimic whichever piece you need, or if there's one you don't have, just try and replicate that one. There's a shitload of different types you can try and use, but we're all about the bogan ones over here. So yeah, once you've shaped him, just cut him roughly in half, doesn't matter too much. Shit. Yeah, rip the guts out of an old pen. Oh, hello. Get your hot glue gun if it's not jizzing everywhere. And you want to just fill up that pen with as much hot glue as you can get in there before it starts to go pear-shaped. And get the little pick that you made, and just jam him on in there. You should sort of work the glue down a little bit as you go. You want to leave about 3 centimeters sticking out. That should be plenty of room to get to the back of a lock. And yeah, wait for that to dry and you're good to go. I was trying to mimic, where's the little fella? I was trying to mimic this little fella. So, it's not the best job in the world, but it'll work. Perfect. I just need a little bit more glue in there. Oh, Jesus. Just squidge it in as best you can. Oh. And yeah, once that's dry, you're all ready to go. Might just give that a second or two to dry, but it's pretty much the same as this one. But yeah, they do work. Like this is a lock. I think it's a 4-pin lock. Works fine. And get your little tension wrench. This is just another strip of that metal that I put a couple of kinks in the end. This fella, the long one, would go in the bottom if you wanted to tension it that way, or this little fella, that's what I normally do. It's just go in the top and you can get it tensioned like that. So get him in there. And where's the one? Is that the one I just made? It's a 4-pin lock. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you're good to go. So they do work. They're pretty bodgy. These ones you can just buy off eBay. They're pretty cheap. I think this is the South Ord PXS14. It's pretty cheap. It's a pretty good set. Gives you most of what you need. Comes with a bunch of little tension wrenches and all the things you need. Especially these little fellas. They're great. Just kind of jiggle them around and they'll mimic a key shape. They're great for these old locks. If If you get that filler in there. Get that filler. You just kind of rake it back and forth, and there you go. In. So yeah, they do work really well. Just do that again. Bam. Yeah, they work for pretty much all locks. These are just cheap, simple locks, but yeah, it's pretty easy if you know, if you've done it for a little bit. Ah, this is the one I just made. 2, 3, and 4. So yeah, bit of practice and you'll be good to go. Cheers.